Uy, ilang pala kayo? Okay guys, ngayon nandito tayo ngayon sa May San Juan at opening ngayon ng PSL o Pilipinas Super League. Kaya guys, tara no tayo.
Ano pong name niyo, ma'am?
Rob Dream po.
Pa-shoutout na lang din po ng Kalos PH.
Ayan, gusto ko lang i-shoutout ang Kalos PH. Ayan, I hope to meet you soon.
Thank you po.
And guys, kasama natin ang napakagandang muse ng Philippine Navy. And si ma'am, anong pong pangalan nila?
Alexandra Rosales.
Yan, ilang taon na po si ma'am?
Secret. 28 years
28.
old.
Yan, okay, batang bata si ma'am. Ma'am, tagasan po si ma'am?
Taga Calamba, Laguna.
Wow, Calamba, Laguna. And anong team po ang sinusuportahan niyo sa PSL?
Philippine Navy Aguila.
Yan. Any shoutout po, especially to your supporting team po?
Good luck, Philippine Navy Aguila, and we can do this.
Yan. Thank you so much po, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yan, kasama natin ang napakagandang muse ng Jensen Warriors po. Yan, ano po pangalan ni ma'am?
Hello po, I'm Jenna Mendoza po.
Ilang taon na si ma'am?
24.
And tagasan po si ma'am?
Paranaque City po.
Ano pong team ang sinusuportahan ni ma'am?
Jensen Warriors ang sinusuportahan ko.
Any shoutout po, especially to your supporting team po?
Shoutout sa Jensen Warriors. Galingan nyo kasi may game kayo today. Galingan nyo kasi malakas na kalaban ng Binyan. So, go, go, go.
Yan, thank you so much po, ma'am. Yan, kasama natin ang napakagandang muse ng Top Gear Athletics po. Ma'am, ano pong pangalan nila?
Hi, my name is Laika Angelica Diente.
Yan, ilang taon na po si ma'am?
I am 21 years old.
Tagasan po si ma'am?
I am from Laguna but representing Lipa City, Batangas.
Bali, representing sa shoutout lang po sa inyong sinusuportahan na team po.
Okay, shout out to the Top Tier Athletics from Lipa City, Batangas. I know you can do it. Just enjoy the game.
Hello guys, I'm with the muse of Team Binyan. And what is your name, ma'am?
Jade.
And how old are you, ma'am?
I'm 15 years old.
And where are you from, ma'am?
I'm from Malanday, Marikina.
From Malanday and Marikina. And what team are you supporting here in the PSL?
I'm supporting Binyan.
Binyan, Laguna. And any shoutout, ma'am? And to yours, especially to your team?
To my team, yeah. Shout out to my team. Good luck.
Yan. Thank you so much po, ma'am. Natin ang muse, ang magandang muse ng Chichi Wildcats. Ano po pangalan nila, ma'am?
My name is Ali De Mesa.
And how old are you po?
I'm 24 years old.
And tagasan si ma'am?
I'm from Cavite City.
Yan. Ma'am, ano pong team ang sinusuportahan niyo sa PSL?
This season, I'm supporting the Chichi Wildcats po.
Yan. Baka may mga gusto kayo shoutout, ma'am. Shoutout ka.
Shout out to my family and friends and also the rest of the Chichi Wildcats. Good luck.
Thank you so much, ma'am.